Yo, what's going on everybody? Kieran Yo here, back in another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm teaching a super cool tech combo I made myself. Here's what it looks like from my perspective. Two things before we get into this video. Going to be using the Deviant Plus for this tutorial. And this video is obviously sponsored by yoyo UK, so you can head on over there and use code Kieran5 for 5% off at checkout. Anyway, yeah, let's get into this tutorial. So to start this trick off, you're going to roll into an undermount, like so. When you get more efficient at this trick, you're actually going to whip whilst rolling in. But just for learning, you're going to roll in. Then, from there, you're going to pinch and do a kamikaze whip, but over your wrist, like so. After you've got this whip, you're going to attempt to land the string on your index finger to the front of the two that are already on there. From there, you can pull this string through those two strings and cross your arms, making sure that your throw hand goes over top of your non-throw hand. From here, you're going to pop out the back, right, and then land on this front string. At first, it won't really appear as such, but once you've popped the yo out of this triangle, it'll be really obvious which string to land on. From here, you're just simply gonna underpass, like so, right? So uncross, and this should leave you in a super technical mount. But the next hop is actually super easy. You see these three strings here? You're going to hop into the middle one, like so, and then drop everything besides your index finger on your non-throw hand. This should leave you in a double green triangle, and that can pop out the back and leave you in a magic knot. Then you can bind. So yeah, that's the whole combo. I'll go over it one more time for you. Undermount, whip to kamikaze thing, pull it through, green triangle, pop, land on that flat string, underpass, then the middle of the three, then double green triangle, pop out the back, and then bind. And yeah, that's the whole trick. So if you have any comments or questions, let me know down below. Otherwise, yeah, peace.